Good afternoon to everyone on social media. This is Alexander Nelson. Here is what is left of the two-story business complex at Smoke Tree Village Shopping Center. When I first came out to work in 1998 with Ralph's, this was already here. But for like the last 25 years or so, I want to say maybe or less, since the financial crisis and for sure the pandemic, nobody ever came back to lease the units of what stood over here. Yeah, this is what, for those of you that have worked here and that have lived here in the Palm Springs area,